In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change file format in Krita quickly and easily so you can save your artwork in the format you need without any confusion. Whether you want to switch from a Krita project file to a PNG, JPG, PSD, or another format, this simple method will help you export your work the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your document in Krita. Make sure the file you want to convert is already loaded on your screen. Once your artwork is open, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. You can also go up to the File menu and choose Save, as if you prefer using the menu. This will open the Save As window, which is where you can change the file format. Now look at the bottom of the pop-up window and find the Save as Type drop-down menu. This is the important part because it controls the file extension that Krita will use when saving your artwork. Click the drop-down menu and you'll see an alphabetical list of available formats. Scroll through the list if needed, then select the new file extension you want. For example, you might choose PNG for a high-quality image, JPG for a smaller file size, or another format depending on what you need. Once you've selected the correct format, take a quick moment to check the file name and save location so everything looks right. After that, click Save. Krita will now save your document in the new file format you selected. If the format you chose has special options, Krita may ask you to confirm those settings before finishing the save process. So just review them carefully and continue. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can change file format in Krita and save your artwork in the format that works best for your project. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.